Plantar Fasciitis Relief Kit. This custom kit is specifically designed to alleviate plantar fasciitis, includes plantar fasciitis orthotics, Profoot Strutz arch supports, compression sleeve, therapeutic massage ball, and free exercise guide. Included inserts. Our unique orthotic supports the width of the plantar fascia to reduce stress and pain, cradle tender heels, and absorb shock. Cushioned arch supports offer comfort and support with a shock-absorbing gel foam core and compression band. Relief and recovery. Compression sleeve provides instant relief from inflammation, maintaining joint stability, circulation and mobility. Massage ball with exercise guide helps you stretch to relieve pain and encourage healing. For your foot health, try all of our foot care products including custom inserts, foot cushions, heel pads, orthotic insoles, toe beds and pouches, and treatments for toenail fungus, bunions, corns and more. Profoot products. We're here to provide you relief for a variety of issues from plantar fasciitis, foot pain, arch pain, back pain, hammer toes, cracked heels, corns, calluses, blisters, bunions, toenail fungus and more. Women size 6 to 12. Top reviews from the United States. These really work. I am skeptical when it comes to using insoles. I have used a few that didn't work and wasted a lot of money. My feet keep bothering me and changing shoes doesn't help much. I tried this product and for the first time, I was pain-free the first time I used them. My work requires me to be on my feet for over 8 hours per workday. I was shocked these work and I keep buying more for my other non-work related pair of shoes. I keep putting the review off, but I have the responsibility to share a great experience to benefit others who have flat feet, plantar fasciitis. I have both. Feel them, insoles, for yourself. I highly recommend this product.